In this segment, we will implement Distrix Ethernet Tunnels to simplify the provisioning of network resources to two temporary remote locations, such as the construction trailers we discussed in the concept video for this use case. Since we are tunneling Ethernet frames over the Distrix network, we will require an equivalent physical Ethernet port on this device for each tunnel endpoint that Distrix will use to receive and deliver Ethernet traffic. To allow Distrix to access the data from the physical interface, we need to configure the device with tap interfaces to connect the physical to the application layers. Using Linux, we use bridge utils and UML utilities. These can be installed as dependencies to Distrix or on their own using apt-get. Here, we confirm that both have been previously installed. To configure the creation of tap interfaces, edit the interfaces file at etc. network interfaces. Pause this video to reference the file on the screen, or refer to help under the Ethernet tunnel creation using the link. This file is on the head office corporate network Linux appliance, and you can see where we identify ETH1. Then create a bridge to ETH1, BR1, then create and connect a tap interface to the bridge, being tap1 to BR1. Since we have two trailers, we have this repeated for ETH2. Ensure this configuration is completed for the devices on the trailers as well. Now that the devices are in place and configured, we can create the Distrix Ethernet tunnels between the trailers and the head office corporate network. In this video, we are only configuring the tunnel. So if you have not yet installed Distrix or created the Distrix network between the node, please refer to those video segments first. So I'm logged into the Distrix Management Console on the head office network node, and now I'll click on the Provision tab on the left. Click on Create Tunnel beside the head office corporate network node. Select Ethernet from the tunnel type dropdown and add a name for the tunnel. Recall that at Site 1, we were using ETH1 tap1 to connect to the local trailer network. Select the Site Trailer 1 node and add tap1 into the device field and add the endpoint to that tunnel. Recall that at the head office corporate network, we created ETH1 tap1 and ETH2 tap2 interfaces for Distrix to use. This keeps things tidy, so let's use tap1 for this tunnel to Site 1. Enter tap1 in the device field and select the switch option. Click Create at the top of the window. We'll now repeat these steps to create the second tunnel between the Site Trailer 2 and the head office corporate network. Now that the tunnels are created, let's go back to the network view, and this time include the tunnel view. Now we can see the tunnels created between the head office corporate network and the two trailers. Select either one and click Monitor Tunnel to confirm that traffic is being passed. Review some of the other use cases from our website and explore other simple solutions using Distrix networks. Mix and match different individual solutions to take full advantage of the simplicity that Distrix brings to accessing data and devices, or contact our solutions team to discuss how to optimize Distrix across your organization.